Hi, my name is Sue Gardner, and I want to thank you for following me on Twitter. I'm really excited about Twitter. I think it's just a great opportunity to connect with people and build the energy. And we have a lot to share. We're all unique, and so we have a lot to learn from each other. So I'm just going to share a couple of things about me, and then I'm hoping that I can hear more from you. My background is in wellness. The last 15 years I've spent in wellness. And prior to that, I spent more than 15 working in hospitals and clinics as a registered dietitian. So I've had quite a lot of experience. And one of the things that I've discovered is that we're all different. We all have individual health, we all have individual bodies, and we all have certainly individual choice. We all make our own choices. And when it comes to health, there's a difference in the amount of value that we put on it. And there's a scale, actually, of putting a lot of value on health and then all the way down to not paying much attention to it. And a lot of times that's until we get sick. The people that put a lot of attention on it at the top are pretty informed. They keep themselves informed. We keep ourselves informed and pay a lot of attention to their lifestyle. And throughout the day are pretty aware of habits that really bring good health. And that's true for their family and friends usually as well. So that's one of the things that's really important to me is choice, individual choice. We choose our health, we choose the value that we put on it. And the second thing is cooperation, and cooperation with nature. Nature is a huge support for our health, so that the health of the plants, the animals, the land, the water, all of it, we're all holistically involved together. So those are my two biggest things, and I've actually written a book, and it's called Soul Talk with Cells. And it's on my blog page. I tell more about it, and there is a link to my blog page on my Twitter profile. It's soultalkwithcells.com, so it tells you something about it. I will have a page available, an excerpt from it. Haven't done that yet, but will. So I'm hoping to hear from you, and that's what I'm going to share for now, and have a great day. Bye.